In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple footwork drill. First step, remove the dog from the shot. Check out her footwork though. When it comes to boxing, it's all about footwork. Your feet get you in and out of trouble. So what we're going to do here, right, get into your stance, visualize a line on the floor. I actually have one here which is handy. We want to make sure we're not on a tightrope, but that we're on train tracks. We got that line between the feet, okay? So this drill I like to call square dance, right? Just visualize a square. You're going to draw that square with your feet. So you're going to go top, go right, go back, go left, right? And each time you step, you're staying conscious on keeping that invisible line between the feet, right? There's my line. So every step I take, I'm going to consciously look down, boom, I still have that line. Boom, I still have that line. Still in that stance. The biggest thing we want to avoid here is getting caught on that tightrope or just not paying attention to how we're moving and moving incorrectly, right? So step 2 to this drill now would be to every time you land, just press the heels down and throw a 1-2. Press the heels down, throw a 1-2. See, moving your stance, drop the weight, throw the 1-2. This way as well, if that 1-2 feels weird, you'll feel it instantly. Look down, see where your feet are at, make sure you're not on the tightrope, and make sure your feet aren't too close together. And then freestyle that combination as well. Throw any of your favorite combos from that stance. Now, a tip I always say to people is, and you don't have to get your tape measure out for this, but